Are you looking to start a profitable dropshipping store, but you are not sure where to begin or don't have the time to start from scratch? Just think, you have to create a logo, design your store, set up suppliers, create legal pages, and more. Well, imagine you had a team of experts who work together to design and set up a dropshipping store for your brand. With Shopify House, you will get a fully profitable automated dropshipping store, optimized to get conversions and sell your products. We will create a logo, design your store, set up supplier integration, and create your policy pages. But what if you don't know how to advertise or market your store on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest? What if you don't get any sales? Well, don't worry, we have got your back. We will even give you a copy of 2020 Dropship Marketing Blueprint so you can learn the secrets of marketing, master FB ads, Pinterest secrets, influencers list, and boost your sales. Visit Shopify House and order your profitable dropshipping store today.